The hydration levels are perfect this morning.
System calibrated, we are ready for the first batch.
The lemon acidity balances the cucumber freshness perfectly.
Quality confirmed. Dispatch the shipment.
From the field to the bottle, exactly as intended.
The citrus yield looks promising this season.
The acidity is peaking. This will provide the perfect bite.
The harvest data is synced. Everything is within parameters.
Ten pallets ready for dispatch, right on schedule.
It looks even better on the shelf than it did in the lab.
We made something truly special here, Elena. End of day data looks consistent. Rest well, Green Gold.
From our soil to 5 different continents by morning. Reliability is the backbone of the harvest.
To the best batch yet.
Добились какодим колесю стебі сталі, між нендрики пересечелицу і приніс дельче і снеблебетаным день страхих снегов высотит
The market response is exceeding all our projections.
This is just the beginning of the next generation. Initiating precision irrigation for the west trellises.
If we increase the extraction speed, we can start the second grove at dawn.
First shipment is locked and ready for the morning fleet.
From the vine to the table, it never gets old.
We double the acreage by next spring. The technology is ready. This soil is ready. We start the foundation today.
If the sugar levels remain this stable, we can increase the flow rate by 10%.
Shift the palletizing sequence. Priority goes to the international dock. The feedback loop is closing. They see the quality we put in.
We will start the next rotation here.
The technology has made us more efficient than ever.
This is the future of the field.
Sensors are calibrated. The expansion zone is receiving full flow.
The consistency is identical to the original grove. We've scaled it perfectly.
Shipment 42 is underway.
Notify the retail hubs. They're choosing quality every time. Tomorrow, we move the harvesters to the north sector. The bricks levels are perfect. Night cycle active, moisture levels stabilized for the morning harvest.
This batch is destined for the Nordic market. Everything is on schedule.
Ready to bring in the citrus batch. Perfect. That is what a premium harvest looks like. If we extend the silver pipelines here, we double our capacity by next season. Night cycle was perfect. The soil is at peak nutrient capacity.
Acidity levels are locked. We can proceed with the blending phase. Bottling speed is at 95%. Perfect flow. The shelf presence is exactly what we aimed for.
The data suggests we can expand the North Grove by 20% next year.
This ground is ready for the next phase of our journey.
The extraction ratio is perfect. Quality remains at the gold standard.
Shipment 48 is locked, ready for the global fleet.
From our soil to their hands. We did it again, Elena.